Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can backtrack on Bumble, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, go ahead, open up your Bumble app on your phone, and now this is how it's gonna appear. Right, we're gonna go to our profile section and we're gonna go to the people where we will be able to simply like them, and we can dislike them, and then we're gonna find this little backtrack icon on top, which is simply to retrieve the previously disliked profile for you to, if you have changed your mind. You're gonna tap on it and you're gonna instantly do that. But to actually use that particular option, you have to buy their premium plan. You can choose to make it a cheaper one according to the week or the month. Then you can tap on this get 1 week for particular amount of money, and once you have taken that plan, simply provide your payment details and confirm it. Once you have taken it, you're gonna go back and again simply dislike a profile, then you're gonna access the backtrack option on top, tap on it, and you're good to go. So that is how you're gonna do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in the next video.